Attic renovation considerations. For the most part, attics are simply unfinished rooms. The renovation possibilities are endless and only limited by your imagination. Consider these factors before you start. Make it comfortable. Some extra insulation and drywall could go a long way toward making your attic livable and comfortable to be in. Many homeowners like the look of the rafters, leaving all or part of them exposed. Others opt to cover everything with drywall, paneling, or beadboard. Some renovations even include new windows or added skylights. Install plumbing. If you decide to include a bathroom or a wet bar with a sink, you'll need to install the proper plumbing and protective features. Be sure to include some waterproof underlayment beneath the flooring to protect your home from leaks. Add a staircase. Most newer homes don't come with a stairwell to the attic. Access is typically gained by a trapdoor and a stepladder. If you're considering an attic renovation, consider a spiral staircase that only requires a small amount of space. Light it up. Regardless of how you plan to use your attic space, you'll want to run some extra wiring for lighting and electrical outlets. To make sure everything is safe and up to code, it's best to let a professional handle this step. If your family is outgrowing the space you have, just look up. There are endless possibilities in your attic just waiting to be discovered. Call us at 972-299-8929.